All right, so today I'm gonna be making my mom's recipe of pasta sauce. It's absolutely delicious. I've eaten pretty much every brand of canned pasta sauce from the store and a bunch of pasta sauces from like Italian restaurants, and it's by far my favorite. It's so good and it's so simple. It's only 2 ingredients and a bunch of spices. So I'm gonna make it today and I'll show you guys how. This is the list of ingredients. If you are an experienced canner, you can go ahead and make it off this. If not, I'll show you how. I've got my 4 pounds of freshly cooked tomatoes here. I already have them rinsed off and ready to go. I'm gonna core them out and then I'm gonna slice them into quarters and put them on the baking sheet, cut side down for baking. Got all the tomatoes cut, so we're ready to put the spices and the olive oil on that. And the scraps I'm going to feed to my chickens. Now here I'm sprinkling the sliced onion, garlic, dried herbs, olive oil, kosher salt, sugar, and freshly ground pepper to the tomatoes. It looks beautiful and we're ready to go in the oven. We're going to bake it at 375. Now we're going to bake this for 1.5 to 2 hours. It's been 1 hour and 15 minutes. Woo, look at that smoke. And this is what it looks like. They're starting to get kind of shriveled on the skin. It's looking good. There's lots of juices in there. Just took it out of the oven. It baked for 1 hour and 45 minutes to get to this point. You can see how the skin on the tomatoes is all crinkly. That lets you know that it's completely baked. It looks so good and it tastes delicious. Honestly, I could just throw it on pasta like this, but I'll puree it up and turn it into pasta sauce. Now I got my big stock pot of water boiling and I got my 2 jars in there. I'm gonna bring that to a boil and let it boil for 10 minutes to sterilize the jars. And over here, I got everything ready to process it all in the food processor to turn it into the sauce. Now, I've just got these 2 jars here for size comparison purposes. These are not the jars I'm using for canning. The jars I'm using for canning are boiling in the pot. Anyway, so if you use the exact recipe, which is the 4 pounds of tomatoes, you'll end up with 5 cups of the pasta sauce. So you've got 4 cups in this one and 2 cups in this one, but you're not gonna fill them up all the way, so that's how the 5 cups gets distributed. That's why you're gonna use a quart and a pint-sized jar. If there's still a little space at the top of the jar after you fill it, just add a little bit of hot water. This sauce is thick, so it won't make it too thin. And then after that, we're gonna add our citric acid, which for the quart-sized jar is gonna be a 1/2 teaspoon, and for the pint-sized jar, it's gonna be 1/4 teaspoon. And it's boiling. The quart-sized jar is going to boil for 45 minutes, and the pint-sized jar is going to boil for 40. And then it's done. And I just pulled them out. They're done and it looks so good. It's got a beautiful color because I used red, orange, and yellow tomatoes. So here it is. We will eat this sometime in the winter.